We are on the verge of witnessing the legal transformation of the riches of the world into XRP. Within the past 24 hours, we have reached a significant XRP 2.48 Fibonacci extension, which indicates that the price of XRP is on the verge of exceeding $4,000. On top of that, 11 different financial institutions have begun the application procedure for an XRP exchange-traded fund. It is very evident that Ripple Labs is open to the possibility of adding an XRP slot, as stated by Brad Curlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple. The price of XRP is expected to range between $200.19.29 to $498.98 during the next 4 weeks, according to Forbes business experts who have publicly said that this is the predicted price range. The price of XRP is now climbing at an alarming rate, and this trend is expected to continue for the foreseeable future. Additionally, the market valuation has achieved a new all-time high of $35 billion, and it has already increased by 8%. After 24 hours, about $3 billion had been invested in XRP. With that being said, anytime the price of XRP skyrockets, I make it a point to offer you guys some free XRP. For me, this is a really simple task to solve. All you need to do to obtain it is subscribe to the station, click the like button, and share this video with your friends. In addition to that, I have collaborated with Uphold to offer free XRP worth up to $100 to everyone who watches this video, registers for Uphold, and successfully completes the trade to the person who watches it. Due to the fact that the value of XRP is skyrocketing, you now have the opportunity to get part of it at no cost by registering for Uphold and engaging in the required exchange. It will only take you 5 minutes to watch it, and I strongly recommend that you do so. Let's get the movie started right now. A few days ago, the chief executive officer of Ripple made a statement indicating that an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP is likely to be launched in the near future. This was made abundantly evident by the fact that he stated that Ripple Labs is investigating the topic and is always open to the concept of an XRP exchange-traded fund, regardless of how much time it takes. It's astonishing to think about the events that are taking place, especially considering that the XRP ETP was only approved a few days before the comment was made. Because an XRP ETP would typically come shortly before an XRP ETF, this demonstrated once further that an XRP exchange-traded fund ETF is becoming a reality. Not only that, but Ripple also went public in Sweden, and stocks began listing the actual Ripple XRP. This is also a significant development. Indeed, this is what it is. An article from Crypto News, quickly ETP trading is also now open on the Swedish stock market, and Ripple XRP trading has begun on the Swedish stock market. However, this is only the beginning. Frankfurt, which is the capital of Germany, has stated that their primary stock market believes that the price of XRP will be in the area of 3 to 4 digits. According to a knowledgeable individual working for the largest stock market in Germany, it may be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In addition to that, I am going to roll the video since it is just insane. A person should go out at what time? At what point should an individual cease using XRP? Because of this, you ought to go inside. At the beginning of my career, I first stated that I was not very interested in the topic of prices. However, given the amount of money I have put in Ripple, it is only natural that I have certain hopes and ideals. When he is at $5 in United States currency, which indicates a tenfold increase from this point forward, I consider selling it. At $10.10, I believe that is an excellent offer. That is the order of magnitude that stimulates my thought process first. Internet users may encounter phrases such as that has to be 3-digit and that has to be 4-digit when searching for information. I have a feeling that this will take place, but before it reaches 3 digits, I am going to leave the house twice and then come back in again. In order to adhere to the first way, I shall move it in waves whenever it enters and exits the system. The first wave should be between $5 and $10 in United States currency, I hope. 3 times you have shown your preference for Ripple. Does Ripple belong to you? To answer your question, the 2 worlds that I have described are real. I hold XRP coins at both the family office where I work and the Thankx investment AIG where I work. I'll summarize everything for you. He believes that the price of XRP will increase by 3 to 4 times. There will be a price range of $5 to $10 for the initial wave, which is anticipated to take place within the next several days. In addition, that is for each individual coin. As a result, the value of each XRP that is currently being traded for less than 64 cents will increase to between $5 and $10 within the next few days because of this. According to Forbes, the United States currency is on the verge of collapsing, which would explain why we are just getting started. Once it begins, it is anticipated that the cryptocurrency XRP will take control. However, the wild part is about to begin. XRP, a digital asset, is not the only one that is performing exceptionally well. The XRP record is extremely significant since it is the factor that enables all of the money to be created. Additionally, the XRP ledger currencies will skyrocket in value, which is the most significant thing. In point of fact, this XRP specialist who has more than 200,000 followers discusses the CTF token, which is the only DeFi token that is ranked among the top 10 on the XRP ledger. In a relatively short amount of time, it will move from being valued 35 cents to being worth more than $598. The reason for this is primarily due to the fact that it is the sole DeFi currency, and there aren't very many of them remaining, which has caused their value to skyrocket. 120 million tokens are currently in circulation, which indicates that a significant supply shock is likely to take place. As a result of this, the value will increase to more than $600 due to the fact that there is a significant demand against the limited supply. And that's very amazing because I also told you about the CTF token, and I'm really bullish on it because I think it's going to blow up because there are so few of them. I think it blew up because there are so few of them. I took a closer look at this coin when I originally came upon it. First, I did some research on it, and then I asked, using the XRP ledger, this is the first method to generate income from idle assets. I'm going to go ahead and purchase it right now because of the fact that the price continues to rise on a daily basis. It worked out pretty nicely for me. That being said, it is still extremely early despite the fact that I am still making passive money. Take, for instance, the fact that people are only now beginning to identify the CTF token, which indicates that it is gaining more and more recognition. After it has been listed on centralized exchanges, we begin to receive feedback from actual individuals. There is an effort to market it to a large number of people, and some very influential individuals discuss it. Imagine the price that we are discussing. These experts are referring at a price of $500 per CTF with only a supply shock. Adding to that, the fact that it will be listed, the massive marketing that will take place, and the attention that it will receive when the XRP ledger begins to explode and receive a lot of attention are all things that will follow. There must be a reason for the price to be set. With the charts indicating a significant increase, it is merely a matter of speculation as to where the price will be in the following few days. Additionally, I would like to set the record straight that I am not a financial planner. This does not constitute financial advice. You should never stop working to learn more. The only thing I'm trying to convey is that you ought to educate yourself further about the CTF token. People who failed to do their research were the ones who missed out on the opportunity to purchase Bitcoin when it was worth $1. This is something that I usually tell people. When that was over, they responded by saying, "Hey, I'm too lazy to do it." In such case, they did not investigate it. The two of them did not quarrel over it. Without a doubt, what would take place? The price reached a maximum of 10,000 Bitcoin, which resulted in the wealth of a few individuals. Investors who'd done their homework and made the decision to put their money into Bitcoin when it was only worth $1 became multimillionaires. The only thing I'm trying to say is that you should educate yourself on the CTF token, particularly because it is an XRP ledger token at a time when XRP is on the rise and the XRP ledger is receiving a lot of attention. The coins in question are those that are in extremely high demand but are not currently in circulation. They will put individuals on the path to wealth for many years to come. To reiterate, all of this is related to the fact that if XRP goes through the roof, then some tokens that have a limited quantity will go through the roof even higher. Have a look at it from this perspective. The price of XRP, which is currently valued at 63 cents and is held by more than 6 million individuals and has a total quantity of between 50 and 100 billion units, is currently at this moment. In addition, we take a look at the CTF coin, which has a far lower supply, only